moderator of the 24th General Assembly of the PCA Church, our bishops, Kanisa letu la Kristo, the families of these young boys lying before us, former Vice President Kalonzo Musyoka, former Minister our Governor Mutahi Kahira, our PS for Education, the Honorable Senators present, members of Parliament, members of the County Assembly, the people of Wega, the people of Kenny, the people of Nyeri, and all men and women who have come to pay their last respect to these young souls. Kahine Mbwega, Ahidi Shore, Piga Shabele, Mwadhani ya Gosho Ege. Tumefika hapa kwa niaba wa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya, Dr. William Samoei Ruto, ambaye yako ziara kirasmi nchini Marekani, na kwa niaba ya serikali yetu na Wakenya kuja kuomboleza kifo cha watoto wetu. It is true, the former Defense Minister has said, when this tragedy occurred, I was in Mombasa on official duty. Very early in the morning, I was informed by the governor, and I was going for a funeral to Trans Nzoia, Kitale, and from there I flew directly to here, to Jaribo. Then I drove all the way to Gatarakwa, and I had time to pray for the parents, to sing with the people of that village, and it was a sight that was ghastly. It was a very difficult moment for me kwenda kuona mahali watoto wetu walichomeka, na kwa hivyo mimi sina maneno mengi, ni kuambia wazazi, may the Lord give you comfort. It is difficult. We cannot pretend to tell you that it is easy. As the moderator said in his sermon, if it were possible, much as none of us will come to death, and if it were possible, it's much better for parents to be buried by their children as opposed to parents burying their children. These young souls, innocent young boys, our heart cries for them. When you look at them, their innocence, they are no more. So sisi kama serikali, wazazi tunasema pole, wajane tunasema pole, and the governor, RC and your teams, you have been wonderful. Your cousin umefanya Mungu atabariki nyinyi. I want to really thank the people of Nyeri for the unity they have shown in the last 3 weeks juu ya hawa watoto wetu. And mimi nasikika sana. The Minister of Education, as the President directed, do whatever you can on matter safety. Wanyuma itukuka kuga wanatuweka wakana kashibu nigesharia maidoli kuga hivi tuendala tuikana tuendanete tuikane tuikwanigeva na muno tukorana nyawendo na tumatamukana jiria. Vice President, people of the mountain are very good people. They are very trusting. They are very kind. before the mountain with kindness, because it's the right thing to do. These people who are there, they are there today, they will be there tomorrow. No you to go, no you to go, no you to go, okay? And before I ask what God will allow me to sing one song with these Christians, ningetaka nisome risala ya rambirambi ya rais wetu William Ruto. Condolence message of His Excellency William Samuel Ruto, President and Commander-in-Chief of the Defense Forces, to the families who lost their young ones in the hillside Endarasha Academy fire tragedy. We are pained by the loss of young lives in the hillside Endarasha Academy fire tragedy. Success, Timothy Wamai, Emmanuel Minor, Kelvin, Samvin, Travis, Ferdinand, Kent, Timothy, Well, John Como, Lewis Machino, Roy Braddon, Roy Victor, Michael, Lewis Wairabo, John Monga, Collins, Bernard, Robson, Emmanuel Kirabu, and Anes were hard-working and with a promising future. As investigations continue, we commit to support the families affected by the horrific accident. We also call upon for strict compliance with boarding regulations to prevent the recurrence of such tragedies. Our thoughts and prayers are with the families of the Iron Hillside Endarasha Academy fraternity. May we be comforted by the word of the Lord in the book of Psalm 34, verse 18. The Lord is near to the broken-hearted and saves the crushed in spirit. Rest in peace, Olen Salam, signed William Samuel Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya. Lodi na kaya kwa ya muli, tulikana maho ya inemu. Kama tulikana na visi, nemo koe, kata kwa wate. Aya kwa mai. kũgeithania nĩ mũkũririkana bamĩrĩ ciĩna mahoya, nĩ mũkũririkana bũrũri witũ, nĩ mũgũtũririkana na inyuĩ Ngai amũrathime amwĩke wega, mwamwaranagerie mĩhaka, mũrori magũkumia, amũgitĩre kuma kwĩ ndwari, mĩciĩ yanyu yurage irathimo ihiana mbura njega. Asante.